Welcome to Gbi Cars and a walk around video of our 2018 Vauxhall Mokka X Active. This car has a private plate on and comes with a 1.4 petrol turbo engine with a manual gearbox producing 138 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 42 miles per gallon. The insurance group is 14 and the car's covered just over 38,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called Mineral Black and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, Mokka's a brilliant family car. So first of all, you've got the nice raised driving position. The seats are really supportive with an armrest there in the centre and that can be folded away if necessary. Onto the dashboard, you've got the iLink multimedia screen there in the centre for your DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has climate control and also cruise control there on the steering wheel. And also the car has automatic headlights and wipers, just to mention a few features there. As we open the rear doors, again, really good access. Lots of headroom and leg room, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and there's a 12-volt socket there in the centre for the rear passengers. And as we open the tailgate, to reveal a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then you even have some extra storage underneath the boot floor as well, so that's really handy. And you also have a tyre inflator in the sidewall there. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, and the 18-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.